So I bought some cloth coasters on Amazon, and I'm going to tell you why I think they are better than regular coasters. I have kind of traditional hard coasters as well that I normally use, and they do a good job of keeping the moisture from my cup off of my surfaces, but that moisture just pulls up right here, and a lot of times when you pick your cup up off of this will stick to the bottom of the cup and then drop on you as you're trying to drink. It's very annoying, and it holds moisture on top of it and doesn't allow it to wick away, which is why I got a set of cloth. These are really thick woven cloth coasters, and so far the amount of wetness on the bottom of my drink has not been able to absorb through this and then actually get onto my table. However, you could always double up coasters if you think that that's going to be a problem. You can have one that's not going to go through, put this on top, and now you have a coaster that is going to wick away the moisture from your cup so it doesn't drip on you when you're drinking it, or it doesn't stick to the coaster, and then it can't go through onto your furniture because it has a hard layer underneath. So these also come in lots of different colors to fit the motif in your house. I like things that are gray, so these work for me. So if you were in that same boat as me and you were looking for a better solution for coasters in your home, this is what works for me, and I would definitely recommend it.